Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Petty Moves. In this video I will show you 3 quick tutorials when it comes to C-walk, okay? And these moves you can learn at home and practice them so that you can get better with your other moves, okay? So we start right now with the move that I showed you. It's called the inverted V-step. Because the V-step is like this, it's the base of everything. It's like closed, open. Imagine you have a V, you open the V with the position of your feet, okay? And we start with the closed V-step for this one. We put then our weights on our heels and twist our toes to the outside, boom. Easy. From here, we continue and now put our weights on the toes and twist our heels to the outside. Everything. So now we can already go back in reverse, as you've seen, with our weight on the toes, twist the heels to the inside, and now we come with the weight on our heels with the toes to the inside, boom. Clack, heels together, and that's everything. From the back, I will show you, but I will put my pant, my jogger, in my socks so that you can see the position of my feet, okay? We start with right here, close V-step, and now weight on our heels, shift it, and then we bring our toes to the outside, boom. Now weight on our toes and our heels will twist to the outside, boom. Now we could actually go another step and open again, but then we have too much distance here, so it won't look that good. So we come back with this closed V-step. Now we bring it back into the open V-step position like this, and now back with the closed V-step position like this. And oh, this was like kind of hurtful. I think maybe you heard it. It was bone on bone, but nevertheless I think you have seen how this looks. So from here, one, like this is the closed V-step, makes sense. Closed is a V. Now we have like the open V, step, closed, open, closed, open, closed. That's everything with this move. Right now I will show you another move. This is a combination because it will look like this. Hey guys, short interruption because I just launched my new online dance class on my Stan store. It would be nice if you want to learn all my moves and especially my favorite dance moves that I use in my viral videos. I just put all of them together and it will come another part. But for this one, there are 6 to 7 different tutorials where you can learn my moves that I use, and I hope to see you there. And right now it's reduced, so take the chance because it won't stay forever. Link is in the description. Your Petty Moves. Let's go. Okay, so we have like both feet showing to one direction, bringing them to the other side with the toes of our heels, boom, bring them back, boom. Now we're going to the T-step, boom, and now we come back to the closed V-step. Again with full speed, 1, 2, 3, 4, easy. We start from diagonal position, so 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have like this. We're showing to the right diagonal side with both feet. Bring them to the other side. Bring them back. Now we do like an open V-step with the left foot. Bring to the open V-step position, and with our right foot we make a back step. It's also called like the T-step. And from here we come back to the closed V-step, and that's it. And now together 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. So I hope this was kind of helpful. If you like this video, if you want me to do more content like this, just shoot me a DM, shoot me a comment here under this video, let a like there, and we hope to see us in the next video. And in case you want to learn even more, I just published my new online dance class at my Stan store, so there you can purchase it and learn my favorite moves. They are my six of my all-time favorite moves that I always do in my videos, so it would be nice to see you there. Much love, your Petty Moves. I'm out.